So I'm just at the cat cafe in Saigon, where there are a lot of cats just sleeping and enjoying being stroked by people. A lot of huge cats. Look at this guy here. The cats run the show in this place. They are the kings of this establishment. So there are some rules. You're not allowed to feed the cats. You're not allowed to put straws in their mouth, which was written on the menu. Don't do that. Some cats in there. We got a cat here as well. I am a bit allergic to cats, but I feel fine for the moment. No allergic reaction. Anyway, this is in Saigon in Vietnam, and I think it's in District 1. Lovely cafe. I think it's much better than a zoo. The animals get treated very well, and I think the animals, they love it here actually. So definitely come visit Cat Cafe in District 1. I'll give you a little walk around. Let's see. There's a couple of sleeping cats in here. Hope he doesn't knock over these glasses. Look at the size of that one. Huge. Look at the size of him. Look at this one here. Hello. Hello. He's a bit grumpy, that one. Oh, look at the size of him. Oh, I'll show you the menu for Cat Cafe. Oh, the door is locked, is it? Ah, there we go. Let's check the door. Show you the menu for Cat Cafe. These are the rules. And there's a cuddle charge, about $2 per person. Alright, bye bye.